Attorney General Holder. Insanity, some have suggested, is repeating the same action over and over, expecting a different result. If I accept this conclusion in regards to my lengthy court battle, I would have to give up the belief that we're a nation of laws that is fair. It would destroy my belief that everyone has a right to be heard before their freedom or their property can be taken. I lost my home of 26 years, and the fire protection business ran from that home for over 11 years, when I became the grist for the financial mills of Wall Street. The violation of the law occurred in 2001, but was not discovered until 2002, months after I had left bankruptcy protection. Chase Manhattan Bank sold my home in violation of the bankruptcy automatic stay and has avoided legal scrutiny, preventing me from exercising my rights under the law. This has gone on through several different legal proceedings. 1, U.S. Bankruptcy Court. 2, the U.S. District Court in 2003. The Court of Appeals in 2005. A second rehearing for the Court of Appeals in 2005. The United States Supreme Court in 2005. And then a rehearing after the Bankruptcy Appellate Panel reversed on the same law but a different case in 2006. Then back to the original Bankruptcy Court, then to the District Court again, and to the United States Court of Appeals, where it is presently being examined. Although now it seems that Lady Justice is peeking under her blindfold, because the court inexplicably denied my motion made in November of 2008 to proceed without fees, which I don't have. They determined the case seemed frivolous, unquote, even before the opening brief was received. Fortunately, my nephew Donovan loaned me $455 to keep the appeal alive. And the recently filed petition for a writ of mandamus, 09-70558, if it's met with the same obstacle, I'm not certain where I'll get the money to keep it alive. My case, despite its long history, is not that complex. Chase, as the beneficiary of my home loan, sold my home of then 26 years while my fire protection business and I were under bankruptcy protection. Their failure to rescind that deed prevented me from refinancing my home months after the bankruptcy concluded. All of the subsequent litigation has been my effort to correct this violation of law. Depending upon the law is the cornerstone of our way of life. If you can't depend upon the law as a lawful American citizen, it begins to feel like a strange, unreal type of world. And it certainly justifies my repeated action of appealing in the courts for the last 7 years, without failing that mentioned metric for sanity. I would appreciate any assistance you could provide me to help me enforce my rights under the law as an American citizen in this new administration. Sincerely, Gary Ozine. My email is firesprinklers@gmail.com, and my website, which has all these legal pleadings, is at www.firesprinklers.us. Thank you for listening. Good day. Happy Easter.